Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. This is your Is My Ex Coming Back reading. Pisces, is that what you want? You want to see your ex? Well, let's see if they're coming back. Let's see what's happening in your under the sea. Okay, how does your ex feel about you, Pisces? Let's see. We got the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting your ex is not necessarily a very, very mature person. I'm getting your ex is still an apprentice, them studying. I'm getting someone feels like you can start a business on your own. Somebody feels like you'd be really good running and managing a business or managing a company. I'm getting finances. There's something about finances somebody feel like you'll be great at, okay? Now, if that's not it, I'm getting your exes, you meet them in some type of schooling, educational facility, okay? But somebody feels like you are a scholar. You are a jack of all trades, master of none. Okay, do they want to get back together with you though? The Ace of Wands, they want to have sex with you. I'm getting someone believes you're so intelligent, they want to experience that intelligence. Somebody might be really cerebral. Yeah, I'm getting them want to have sex with you. That's mostly what they want. What's the greatest obstacle to reunite with them? Two of Pentacles. I'm getting somebody, okay, so this is all, I'm getting you just started something. Somebody wants to see how them can come in and infiltrate it. So you're doing this right now. Somebody will have sex with you and see if it change your mind as to what you're doing over here. So I'm getting an ex to come back for throw you off, basically. What's the likeliest outcome concerning the two of you? The Judgment. Yes, somebody coming back for throw you off. Because right now it's either you focus on school or you're going to be focused on sex. Your ex is coming back because them say you're focused on studying and school and being an apprentice and a good novice. Now them are going to come offer you sex. So they don't want to get back in contact with you. They want you back now because maybe what you're doing can make a lot of money. And they want to be the one who's pleasing you every night when that paycheck comes in. So I'm getting someone's a cloud chaser. So no, do not get back in contact. I don't like that ex you feel. Besale, this is what I feel. Unsolved mysteries. You cannot solve the fact that this nigga cannot be trusted. Internet. It's over. Spirit attach. We also have the Lover's card. And we got Cleanse Your Space. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time.